What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, and in this one I want to quickly go over this stock called Seelos Therapeutics, ticker symbol SEEL, SEEL. Now this stock is up nearly 60% on the day, and it's quite funny because a lot of times when I cover these biotech companies, it's very interesting because a lot of the times these companies, they move based off of news, and although they can seemingly be long-term holds, a lot of the time people like to just get in, hear some news, and then get out. And this is another stock that I just wanted to cover because it just performed so well today, and I do see it performing well again in the short term as well as the long term. So just to go over it, the stock is currently trading at $4.82, and just looking at this chart right here, like literally a few days ago, it was just like $3, $2.80. So yeah, if you've been holding this stock, you you're doing pretty well. You have a decent amount of money in your account. So let's go over what this company actually does. I'm going to give you guys my prediction, and I'm going to also tell you guys why I think the stock can actually shoot up within the next few months, and potentially even longer term than that. And yeah, let's get right into it. So Seelos Therapeutics. So pretty much what they do is their focus addressing unmet needs in neurological diseases and disorders and in rare diseases. My God, I can't speak English. So pretty much, guys, a lot of the things that they go through is, acute suicidal ideation and behavior and depressive disorders. So pretty much PTSD. So a bunch of mental health issues. Another thing is Lou. I don't know how to pronounce that disease. Again, I'm not too sure what this disease exactly is. Parkinson's disease, and as well as asthma and things like that. And they have another one, which is Sanfilippo syndrome. Again, I'm not too sure what that is, but excuse me. Pretty much, guys, they are a biotech company, and a lot of the things that they do is based off, they have trials. I strongly recommend, guys, go and check out this website if you're interested and you want to do your due diligence. One thing that's going to be very interesting is, going over their financials, their SEC filings and all that stuff. Obviously, this isn't an in-depth stock review, but if you guys do want me to do an in-depth stock review about, any company in specific, make sure you drop a comment down below, and, if there is enough demand, I will be sure to do it. So let's continue talking about why this stock is actually up today, because there is a specific reason. I kind of think it's kind of stupid, if I'm being honest, but hey, the stock is up, so my opinion doesn't really matter. So as I said, Seelos, what do? They are a biotech company focused on therapeutic solutions, addressing significant unmet needs in CNS disorders and in rare diseases. I can't say that word for whatever reason. So why are investors and analysts bullish on SEEL stock, right? So last week, they had an announcement that enrollment has been completed for their drug targeting depression, and it's starting up excitement in the market. So obviously, guys, I made videos about another company, actually two companies, one called Second Eyes, or ticker symbol Eyes, and another one called Ocugen. And these companies, whenever there's good news or there's, I guess, data that comes out, the stock typically tends to go up, and that's pretty much how it goes for, biotech companies, vaccine companies, and all that, like that whole industry. It's very heavily inflated due to the fact that good news comes out, and that's fine. But I do want to say, guys, it's kind of stupid. Okay, so let me continue. So not only this is cool, but the reason why it's up today is apparently an analyst from BTIG, Robert Hazlitt, put a $14 price target on the stock. That's it. That's the news, and that's why it jumped up today. That was it. An analyst, put a price target of $14 on the stock. Now, I find that kind of, what if someone who has, a lot of credibility, what if they just said, oh, yeah, the price target of this stock is $50? Does that mean, any company can just shoot up like that? I don't know. For that reason, I find it kind of whatever. Now, I haven't looked too deep into this specific analyst, but hey, if he's right, even 100% of the time, I can see why this happens, but I don't think that this is really a fair, way to value a company. If you guys are in my stock market course, you guys know how I typically look at, companies and how I analyze companies. But this company, like I said, it does seem very interesting. Another thing is, I believe, Seelos has noted it expects to be able to share some efficiency and safety results in the second quarter. So if you guys remember how I said, yeah, guys, short term, there are some catalysts that could send this stock soaring. So if I wanted to play this, and if you guys are in my stock market course, which is the first link in the description, you guys actually get my buy and sell alerts. And I'm just going to give you guys, a bit of a teaser. But if I was to play this, right, what I would do is wait for the stock to cool down a bit, because usually when a stock goes up crazy and it has super huge gains on a day, it either will correct itself within a day, or after a few more days it will correct itself. So what I would do is wait for it to kind of be a bit more normal again. If it doesn't be normal, that's fine, but I would potentially look into buying and waiting for this news to come out and just doing a bit of a news swing trade. Now, again, I'm not saying this is what I'm going to do. I'm just saying it is something I could consider. And like I said, guys, if you want to know more about this company, just drop a comment down below and make sure you join my Discord. It's a free Discord. Come through and have a chat. But guys, I want to get your guys' opinion. What do you guys think about this company? What do you guys think about this news? Like I said, the stock is up. Oh, it's up 63% right now. It's about to hit $5, which is pretty cool. It did actually hit a peak of $5.82. So yeah, guys, there's a decent amount of opportunity here, right? Like, it's going to be interesting to see where the stock does close at the end of the market. And obviously it is the weekend, so we'll see what happens on Monday. Also, stimulus checks are coming out, so we're about to have an interesting next week. But guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you did enjoy, make sure you leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell. And until next time, remember, stay seeking success.